In order to determine the trigonometric functions of our angle 90 degrees, let me draw our 90-degree right angle triangle in our Cartesian coordinate system. This will be our positive y-axis and this will be our positive x-axis. So x, y. We cannot draw a right angle triangle which is having another 90 degrees. So here we have to consider our theta 90 degrees to be almost equal to 90 degrees and not exactly equal to 90 degrees. When we do that, we will get a figure which is like this. This will be our terminal side of the triangle and initial side of the triangle will be coinciding with our positive x-axis. If we draw a perpendicular line to our base, it will be somewhat like this. Let me label this triangle as A, B and C. This side of the triangle which is perpendicular to our base is our right angle, that is 90 degrees. And this angle here, which is our angle A, is almost equal to 90 degrees and not exactly 90 degrees. Let me write that down. When we consider triangle ABC, our angle ACB, that is our angle C is equal to 90 degrees. Angle ACB is equal to 90 degrees, which is our angle C, and our angle A, which is CAB. CAB is almost equal to 90 degrees. So when we do that, we can easily see that our angle B is almost equal to 0 degrees because sum of all three interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. So now if angle C is 90 degrees and our angle A is almost equal to 90 degrees, then our angle B will be almost equal to 0. Angle B, that is angle ABC. Our angle B, that is our angle ABC, will be almost equal to 0 degrees. In order to determine the trigonometric ratios of our trigonometric functions, we need to know the sides of the triangle. So for that, let this side BC be equal to y because it will be equal to our y coordinate. BC is equal to y. Now our hypotenuse side, that is our side AB, let that be for time being r. Side AB, hypotenuse side, is equal to r. Now when we look into our base, that is the adjacent side of the triangle, it will be equal to almost 0. It will be very negligible in our x-axis. It will be having very low x coordinate value. We can say that our side AC, which will be equal to our x coordinate value, will be almost equal to 0. So now when we look into our hypotenuse side of the triangle, we can say that the side AB is almost equal to side AC. So what we can do is, we can say R is almost equal to Y. So now we have all three sides of our right angle triangle which is having our theta which is almost equal to 90 degrees. Now we can move on to our trigonometric functions. First one is sine 90 degrees. The definition of sine theta for all is opposite divided by hypotenuse. Our angle A, which is here, is our theta. Opposite side of the triangle is the side of the triangle which is opposite to our angle theta. The side of the triangle which is opposite to our angle theta is side BC, which is having the value y, which is equal to the value of y coordinate. It y divided by the hypotenuse side of the triangle. Hypotenuse side of the triangle is the side of the triangle which is opposite to the 90 degree angle of the triangle. So this is our 90 degree, and the side of the triangle which is opposite to our angle 90 degrees is side AB, which is here, which is having an value almost equal to y coordinate. Value for hypotenuse side will be y. Y divided by y is 1. Next one is cos 90 degrees. The definition of cos theta is always adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Adjacent side of the triangle is the side of the triangle which is adjacent to angle theta. This is our theta. The side of the triangle which is adjacent to our angle theta is side AC. We cannot consider this side AB to be the adjacent side of the triangle because the side AB is the side opposite to our angle 90 degrees, and this side of the triangle is considered as the hypotenuse side of the triangle. The adjacent side of the triangle is having the value almost equal to 0. 0 divided divided by the hypotenuse side. Hypotenuse side is our side AB, which is having the value almost equal to y. So 0 divided by y will be 0. Y into 0 is 0. Next is tangent 90 degrees. The definition of tangent 90 degrees is opposite side of the triangle divided by the adjacent side of the triangle, which is equal to opposite side of the triangle, which I previously told before, is our side BC, which is having the value y, because it is the side which is opposite to our angle theta, which is here. So now it will be y divided by the adjacent side. Adjacent side of the triangle is adjacent to our angle theta, which is AC, which is almost having the value equal to 0. So it is y divided by 0. So anything divided by 0 is always not defined. For all, anything say a divided by 0 is always not defined. So next three angles are the reciprocal of the previous three angles. First one is cosecant 0 degrees. Cosecant theta is the reciprocal of sin theta. Ratio will be hypotenuse side of the triangle divided by the opposite side of the triangle. Hypotenuse side of the triangle is having the value almost equal to y, and our opposite side of the triangle is having the value equal to y. So it will be y divided by y. Y and y will cancel out each other. We'll have the value 1. Next one is secant 0 degrees, which is having the ratio hypotenuse side divided by the adjacent side. So here we can see that secant theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. Hypotenuse side of the triangle is almost equal to y, and the adjacent side of the triangle is almost equal to 0. So it will be y divided by 0. So y divided by 0. As I previously mentioned before, any value divided by 0 is not defined. So therefore, y divided by 0 will also be not defined. Next one is cot 0 degrees, which is having the ratio adjacent side divided by the opposite side. We can see that cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. Adjacent side of the triangle is almost equal to 0. Opposite side of the triangle is equal to y. So it will be 0 divided by y. Y into 0 is 0. We will have the value 0. If you understood the concept, subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video. Thank you.